Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, I have a special package here today, straight from Hawaii, and I am so excited to review it for you guys. So if you want to see what I got on this box, please keep watching. Well, look what we have here. So this company sent me out a package. Can I call it PR? Yeah, I mean, maybe it's PR. You never know. So I'm so excited. It's actually skincare. It's called Napali and they're straight from Hawaii. So they also have a beauty and in essence from Hawaii. So look at this beautiful package. Look at this package. Look at this. It is so well packaged. Well, they wrote me a little note. It's here. Hi Brenda, I'm excited for you to experience the healing effect of Napalipure anti-aging serum and cream. We hope you like it. Welcome to the Napali family. Love, Aniise, something like that. Gives me an instruction so how to use this product. It says this is Napalipure, 44% reduction in deep sea wrinkles, 37% reduction in density of facial wrinkles, 20% facial lifting effect. You will never put anything else on your face. Annie. A proprietary serum and cream regimen and nourish and rebuilds while increasing brightness and glow, formulated with ocean botanicals. So here you go. Everything that I say here is right here. And it shows here how to use the product. It's begin with clear skin. Apply serum to face and neck using a steady circular motion. Activate across your skin. Air dry for 30 to 40 seconds. Apply cream to face and neck using a steady circular motion to activate access to skin. I bring both. So it's morning and enough of the packaging. So when you open the package, the cream is right here. Damn. So this package right here actually goes for $200, I believe. It's a moisturizing cream, and they're from Honolulu, Hawaii. I love the packaging. How many times do I have to say that? But I love the packaging. That's what I look for. Everything, I look for the packaging. So let's see. Oh, the cream feels really nice. It smells really, really good. Oh, so that's the cream. And here we have the serum. So the serum restores delicate facial skin, reduces wrinkles, and gives a beautiful lifting effect for all types. So opening the product, here we have the serum. Beautiful packaging. And this product for a whole week. I'm gonna show you every day about the effects. I'm gonna, before going to bed and waking up, I'm gonna put this on. And you're just gonna see the difference on my skin. So I'm gonna be doing with this product and without this product and see the difference. I'm very excited for this challenge because I've always wanted to do something like this, and I'm excited. Napali is excited for this. I have seen so many good reviews about this product, and I am so excited. It doesn't feel any heaviness on the skin. It feels like, it smells wonderful. It smells like oranges. Circular motion is not gonna clog in my pores. It feels very clean and smells gonna be smelling like oranges. So both products are gonna be used for a whole week. The packaging, oh my god. So it says here, directions: apply twice each day after cleansing skin. I love the floral look on it. So this is a 1.7 floss moisturizing. I'll be reviewing this product for a whole week, and I'm gonna be checking in every morning and night, putting this on. So with that being said, let's go. So far my skin actually feels really like soft, like wow. I mean the redness is still there, but the soothness is like crazy. It's like it feels really soft, amazing. And that's like pretty much like the first try. That's crazy. Hi everybody, welcome back. So it's been an actual whole week since I started using this product. Results are freaking amazing. You guys can tell by my skin, it's more like glowy, more like natural. It looks nice. Now, so I did this for a whole week. The first time I used it, I did this beautiful makeup. I had to remove it, so as you guys can see on this coming up video of how I used it. So that was the first time. And then the second time was when I was just, washing my face. As you guys can see my bare skin. It did not irritate my skin. Usually my skin is very picky on the products that I use. So it did not irritate. It did get a little bit red on the second time. But after that, it didn't. I mean, usually it's so picky. Even after I go to sleep, and after that, the next day I wake up, my skin is always dry. But with this product, it did not do that. It was actually, it looked like I put some, not glitter, but the whole stuff that I have right here. I just brain farted. I'm sorry. But that stopped. It looked like my skin felt so smooth, and it did not dry my skin. That was the word. It did not dry my skin at all. As you can see on this other clip that I have right here, that's when I used it and it stopped getting red. It actually did. And it's such a good product. I mean, I love this product. I used it for almost a week, day and night. No problems at all. You guys can see on this clip, I used this first. It mentions on the product that you have to use this product first. It's actually an anti-aging serum. After that, you mix it on your skin. You have to let it dry. And after that, you have to put the moisturizing cream. Both of this product did not irritate my skin at all, and it's amazing because usually skin products that I have never heard of dry my skin, but this product amazing, and they smell so good. It smells like I'm in Hawaii. It smells like orangey, and it smells so good. I mean, I couldn't even believe this. And all this product right here is worth $185. These two right here, and I actually put like 3 drops on my skin. Especially this one right here. I know these products are gonna last me for a long time, so for the price, it is actually really worth it. Now, Napalipure has an Instagram page, as you guys can see right here, and you can go to their website. You can check out everything, the people's testimonials that have tried this product. All of their products are natural and they're cruelty-free, I believe. So for the price, it's actually worth it. I mean, my husband will actually kill me if I buy this. So I'm so grateful for Napalipure for sending me this product so I could review. My whole review is 100% true, no lie. I did review it also in my Instagram page. If you follow me on Instagram, you're just gonna see. So Napalipure, thank you so much for sending me this product. Oh my god, I love it. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. I'm always in those places. I mean, holidays are almost done. I'm so happy the holidays are done. I mean, not that much because money, but I'm gonna have more time to for my channel. And I'm sick too. I'm very sick. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.